and welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Micky Pacheco hits a youth from Seraulim. Young blood reacts, twists Micky's hand. Micky's thumb fractured, youth hospitalized. $10 lakh compensation for rape and child abuse victims. Posts of music teachers and home guards increased. CM apprises media after cabinet meet. Mining not to resume unless Supreme Court verdict is out, says CM. Government extending full cooperation to CEC. 400 traders and 130 mines approved by the previous government. $7,000 trucks register for compensation out of 25,000. Government gives 8 days deadline for remaining trucks to register. Final report on 10th December. And only 54 out of 600 plus clubs affiliated with SHG are active. Sports Minister Ramesh Tavarkar appeals to dormant clubs to get more serious. Now the news in detail. Nuve MLA Micky Pacheco and a youth from Seraulim got into a brawl which later turned into a fight of fists. As per the sources, Micky Pacheco initially assaulted the youth Benny Fernandez. While retaliating to the attack, the youth twisted Micky's thumb, which developed a fracture. Kolva police have registered a case filed by the MLA and have shifted Benny to hospicio. Benny's family was allegedly facing harassment from the MLA over NOC of their shacks. Benny's mother claims that Micky expects that the applicant should beg and plead before him for the NOC.
Micky Pacheco is back in news again, and yes, again for wrong reasons. Micky Pacheco got involved into a fist fight with a lad from Seraulim named Benny Fernandez. Sources claim that first Micky blocked the way of Benny and slapped him. Benny reacted and caught hold of Micky's hand and twisted his thumb. Micky's hand is plastered now as he claims a fracture in his thumb. The complainant, Benny's mother, says Micky's adamancy and delay in allotting NOC for their shack has resulted in this tussle.
This problem, shaka problem. Thank you, shaka. I'm going to check police. I'm Mongol son, Mongol son, Betalbati Italo, Mongol Junction, or that hotel and things. So I called the cops. I said, this is what it is. Somebody is blocking me. Kindly come. Okay, I reach somehow the Mr. Javian DeCosta's house. I overtake him. Okay, I went. Again, I overtake and went him. There was one pickup also coming. I overtake pickup also. On the left-hand side, he overtake the pickup as well as me and block my car again.
Okay.
So I stopped the car and I said, what is the problem? I just hold my hand on his bike. I said, what is the problem? Why are you making this? He started abusing me. Okay. And then I just put my hand, he just banged on my head. It was pressed my finger, right ring finger.
Yeah.
Seraulim बोलना Seraulim से का speech बना रहा तो ऊंचा चला नहीं कार मिल गए ताबड़ ना ब्लॉक करा ताबड़ ना इचार अपना पाचर अपना काय ना ये ना मुझे ताबड़ माना ने आपको ना गया ना ने पुलिस स्टेशन आ गया.
Meanwhile, the word is out that a MLA from mining belt has assaulted a local in front of police officials. As per the information, police have not registered any case and have finished the matter, bringing a compromise between the MLA and the local.
Now, rape and child abuse victims will get compensation of 10 lakh rupees. Government to increase the numbers of home guards from 750 to 2000. Besides this, Government intends to create 250 posts for music teachers within the next 3 years. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar informed media after the cabinet meet on Wednesday.
Eligibility for compensation where the offender is not traced or identified but the victim is identified and where no trial takes place, the victim or his dependents may make an application to the state or district legal service authority for award of compensation if he has not been compensated for loss or injury under any other scheme of the central or state government, insurance company or any other institution. The loss or injury sustained by the victim has caused substantial loss of income to his family, making it difficult to meet their both ends without any compensation. त्याच्या अंतर्गत 10 लाख रुपयापर्यंत compensation मिळू शकता. All posts are being sent to the respective department for creation and finalization. That means they will be transferred to their department and they can get regularized in that department. आता कितें आता ह्या डिपार्टमेंटान काडून त्या डिपार्टमेंटान घालप वता तशें न करता आसा तेच तांकां रेगुलरायज करप आनी जांकां कांय जाणांक पयलीं फोर्सान हेवटेंतले तेवटेन धुकल्ल्या तांकां FR15चेर वन टायम ट्रान्सफर करपाक संदी दिवप. 164 रेगुलरायज केले, 428 आशिल्ले म्हणजे ही स्कीम 428 ओपन आहा इन शॉर्ट. Cabinet has decided to create in all 250 posts over a period of 3 years, 125 immediately for the current year, 125 of music trainer and 125 of accompanist. The 250 post आता तयार जातले. The cabinet has approved creation of a single window system for according permissions to tourism related events. कुठ्ठाळे आशिल्लो थंयच्या लोकांनी तक्रार केली की थंयचें खाजन जें आसा तें खाजन 2008 फुटलें. तांची 2.5 वर्सांची ते 98 शेतकरी आहा. 2.5-4 वर्सांची आतां मागणी आशिल्ली आमचें नुकसान भरपाई दिवची. गव्हर्मेंटान एप्रूव केल्ली पण ती कशीच फायनलायज जायनासली. दॅट इज एप्रूव्ड बाय द कॅबिनेट. होम गार्ड टार्गेट एज स्ट्रेंथ has been increased from 750 existing to 1500. विलेज पंचायत तयार करपा खातीर ward number 1 and part of ward number 2 of Sakri Panchayat is approved to be notified for withdrawing from the municipal areas.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has cleared that mining operations will not resume till Supreme Court gives its verdict. CM has decided to cash on the mining ban period by utilizing the lull phase for gathering all the information on mining. CM said that CEC is being provided required information and data on a regular basis. He informed that 400 traders and 130 mines were approved by the previous government within 5 years.
When will the mines start? I can tell you only one thing, until Supreme Court hears it, there is obviously you can't do it. But more than that, I have banned it also. So unless I complete the exercise of corroborating everything, I don't think mine can be started. नाल्यार फाल्यां चालू करपाक गेल्यार घे बोवाळ धुमशेन परत. सो आतांच होच चान्स मेळ्ळा ते म्हणून सगळें सारकें करुया आनी मागीरूच कितें तें करुया. आनी तेणें आनीक कितें इन्फॉर्मेशन मागलेलें दिलें. फर्स्ट लेट मी recompile the old data which is all in shamble. आता सकाळी म्हाका लेविन्सन ताका हांवें स्पेशल अपॉयंट केलो तो म्हणटा कांयच ना थंय, कांयच ना म्हणटा तो. घेवन येडे फायल आयलो दाखोवपाक म्हाका ट्रेडराचो बिझनेस कितेंच ना म्हणटा सारकें तो. So basically what has happened during last 5 years will have to be reconstructed painstakingly. And I'm sorry but all these activities of Shah Commission, CEC is resulting into department virtually not able to do anything other than giving them information. त्यामुळे हांव ताजेर कसलीच सद्या जबाबदारी घेना डिपार्टमेंटाची. ते फक्त तांच्याच सर्विसीक आहा, म्हज्या सर्विसीक कांयच ना. There are no proper record of last 6-7 years at all in the department. Everything has to be reconstructed and it is not an easy task, but it is a very complicated. There were 400 traders approved by the earlier government and some 130 mines during that tenure. So all that will have to be properly put up on computer, reconciled case by case.
Meanwhile, Mining Dependent Compensation Committee has given extension of 8 days to register the remaining trucks with the Mining Department for compensation. Sources informed that around 20 to 25,000 trucks were carrying iron ore in the mining belt. Only 7,000 trucks are registered with the department till now. The committee held its meeting at Secretariat on Wednesday. Committee is scheduled to give its final report on 10th December to the government.
Goa government had notified a committee to analyze grievances faced by the truck owners and mining dependent people due to suspension of mining operations in the state. Committee is headed by Industries Minister Mahadev Naik. He discussed the issue of low registration of mining trucks with the mining department. Committee has granted 8 days to register their trucks with the mining department. Government has to file a plea with the Supreme Court mentioning the number of trucks that were involved in carrying iron ore. With just 7,000 trucks registered with the department, the contradicting number of trucks can create problem to the government. Hence, the committee has requested the remaining truck owners to register their trucks with the mining department. Committee has decided to hold a meeting with the Truck Owners Association to discuss the registration issue. Committee has also asked mining dependent workers to give their representation to the committee. Committee will submit its final report on 10th December to the government. Our reporter Mahesh Kadi for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.